bring reality into the digital world with point clouds. My name is Ryan. So capturing and using the as-built model allows the shipyard to ensure model and construction accuracy when performing new builds, repairs, or retrofits. Including laser scanning as part of your workflow will help reduce costly design changes, reduce or eliminate construction rework, reduce field work, eliminate multiple visits to remeasure the ship, reduce ship check effort by using less personnel and fewer trips, reduce the amount of design time by using accurate reference geometry. That helps us verify the as-built to the as-designed, and it will help us obtain measurements which are difficult or unsafe to obtain. The workflow for any reality capturing project includes the capture stage, which this can be done via an outsourced scanning company using a laser scanner to capture the physical object and or taking photos of the physical object. Computing and managing. This stage can be done via an outsourced scanning company, combining or registering all point cloud scans together or generating a point cloud from digital photos, followed by cleaning up and organizing point cloud. The create and reference stage. This stage can be done by importing a point cloud into ShipConstructor, checking the differences between reality, or your as-built, and CAD as designed, and then adjusting the ShipConstructor model to represent reality, or just creating geometry from a point cloud using geometric reference points. And then the visualize and communicate. This can be done by creating an integrated data source model. For the computer managed stage, we're going to discuss how to approach this in Autodesk Recap. The workflow for Recap is to import our raw scan files into Recap Pro, register the raw files, create regional scans if desired, and then exporting our RCP file for further processing. There's our workflow for the reality capture. Went through that. And on the computer managed stage, as I said, we're going to discuss how to approach this in Autodesk Recap. So Autodesk Recap Pro, the workflow is to import the raw scan files into Recap Pro, register the raw files, create regional scans if desired, and then exporting your RCP for further processing. So after importing a number of files into Autodesk Recap, we can see two windows. On the left side, we will see merged files. On the right, we will see unmerged files. If the software recognizes enough points, all you have to do is click merge. Otherwise, you'll select points of both point cloud files in order to get them to recognize. Eventually, it will recognize and it will allow you to merge the scan. Once that's done, once you're done merging all of your scans, you then end up with a resulting recap project which shows all of your scan points, and you have your scan there. So once you have the point cloud, you can break it up into region specific as required, and then you can export each region so you can work on smaller chunks for the use in the ShipConstructor. For the create and reference stage, we're going to be discussing the use of ShipConstructor. After importing the point cloud into ShipConstructor, all the management and organization done in Recap persists. This allows you to leverage all the work you've done in Recap and only view the area that you're concerned with. So there are many features to manage the point cloud as well as several performance controls to satisfy your needs. Once the point cloud is in ShipConstructor, any of the ShipConstructor modeling tools are available as usual. There are point cloud on snap points to assist you with your design. So we have our point cloud here, but if we were looking to add like a new point, looking to insert a new point cloud into our drawing, we would attach, look for a specific point cloud file. Open it. You can specify on the screen your locations, an open either an RCS or an RCP file for this. Now we already have one here, so we don't actually need to. Basically, the number of points on this doesn't really. We have a decent graphical representation, and it runs smoothly. Select the point cloud. We can change the point sizes, that, better, thinner, whatever you need. Level of detail, we can lose, as you lower it, it will lose many of the points. Scan colors, we can change it based on intensity, elevation, whatever you desire. First, this one. Photographic view there. You can crop. So take sections and just smaller. With your cropping, once you crop something, you can save your crop state so that you can re-reference it later. You can run section points that with the section point, you can move this around and see, replace the one and of course, there is a point cloud manager, which allows us to easily turn sections off. If you have the regions, if you've made the regions, you have ability to turn specific regions on and off. So with that, we'll move to we're going to go to the plate area crop view. Try getting into this a little bit. So to create a plate in ShipConstructor, regardless of if it's deck plate or bulkhead, requirements are a closed boundary. Boundary needs to be in the draft cut layer, and the coordinate system should be on the particular plane. So, and we just select our cloud, and we can extract edges. Easily, so lumpy edge there and there, we end up with a line that's been extracted right on the boundary of that. But now, that being said, I have already extracted boundary like for this plate, so that we can move ahead. So that's being done. I got to this by trimming, extending lines, the extracted lines, and then in order to get them all in the same plane, I used the flatten command, and then also use this, well, use the flat command once I had the UCS set in place, which I also use the lines for. So our UCS set, that's set, and now create light. Grab the plate, back plate, and we can move on to the lights. Select the point cloud in, just drop the view to this leg here, and grab our edge tool again. Select our two surfaces. Now, because of where our library currently, the best selection point on an angle happens to be in the corner, the middle corner of the angle, but even though we don't have, being that ShipConstructor, our library is taking it from different, like our angles from different point of view to this. Now we can add our stiffener. Also extract, also create rails or pipe section and extract them from the center. Instead of extracting an edge, we can extract the center line. So as we continue to build up the model, we get a more realistic view of what we are working on. So, create a whole surface. We can create a curve with the line command, create the boundaries at the point cloud. Create the surface. Minimum we need is to have two curves, one curve with a straight line. Once the surface is created, we can add a stock value to add that. For pipe modeling is not using the same tools we use to build rail. We'll extract center lines of all the pipes and pipe fittings as needed. Adding equipment to your point cloud is done in the exact same manner as without point cloud. For best results, you want to get the model numbers and the set file if possible, but you can model your own as well. The pipe supports can be added with the help of the M-Link manager. Because our structure is already modeled, we can bring it into the pipe drawing using M-Link, then continue modeling. Afterwards, we can turn the point cloud back on, compare the results. We can create our sample outputs the same way that we normally do in ShipConstructor, whether it's a structure drawing or spool drawing. drawings. The last step is to be able to visualize all your changes within the point cloud. While some of this visualization can be done in ShipConstructor, there's often a need to share your work with other stakeholders who do not use ShipConstructor. To share your changes with any team member or your client who does not have ShipConstructor, you will want to use Navisworks. Navisworks is used as a lightweight model, which can be easily and freely shared with the owner or other integral stakeholders. It allows you to visualize a larger set of CAD model with point cloud data. Verifying results can be done easily using Navisworks, as it includes tools such as interference checking. Navisworks allows you to create virtual videos that can include both reality capture data and the digital CAD data. It allows you to coordinate disciplines, resolve conflicts, and plan projects before your construction begins. We can see the model structure and types along with With these details, we can effectively communicate our changes to the other stakeholders in the team. So in conclusion, our best recap is part of the SSI solution. It's been developed from scratch with a focus on making point clouds accessible to everyone. The lower cost of laser scanning equipment and recap being included in many of the Autodesk suites has made this technology accessible to the masses. Adoption of this technology will help your shipyard create more accurate designs in the future.